Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best instant cameras on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Polaroid Originals I-Type Instant Camera. This retro camera is back to the future in the best way. Polaroid Originals are designed to capture the best of the past and the present. Users get the large, high-quality prints, with the dual autofocus mode, a built-in flash and self-timer, as well as remote shutter control and light painting. The camera is super easy to use, making it good for beginners and the tech-averse. Reviewers raved about its super reliability and futuristic but classic feel. Features: Polaroid's new point-and-shoot analog instant camera has all you need to catch every life moment in an original Polaroid photograph. Now with autofocus, it's simple to capture moments as you see them, so you can relive them forever in sharp, vivid color. Frame 2 moments in one with double exposure, or get yourself in the picture with a self-timer and an accurate flash to make everyone look like they should. Now is available in the 7 colors of the iconic Polaroid spectrum. Now is compatible with both I-Type and 600 film. Film not included, must be purchased separately. Max focal length, 102.35. Viewfinder type, optical. Number 2. Second best pick is Fujifilm Instax Mini 90 Neo Classic Camera. This is a camera for those who like the spirit, but not the look, of the instant camera. This Fujifilm comes in brown or black, with a faux leather finish and bodywork that makes it look like a real camera. The camera also comes with a rechargeable battery that is designed to last as long as the 10 film packs. There is manual control for exposure and an option to disable the built-in flash. A shutter release button above the lens doubles as a selfie mirror. Parents of children and furry things will love the kids mode, ideal for photographing fast-moving people and animals. Features: automatically detects the brightness of the surrounding and adjusts the amount of flash and shutter speed to optimize photo quality. Double exposure mode: 2 images are produced on one film sheet by pressing the shutter twice. Programmed electronic shutter release, 1.8 to 1 by 400 seconds shutter speeds. Bulb mode: the shutter remains open while the shutter button is depressed, 10 seconds maximum, and a light trail can be photographed. Macro mode: short distance photography as close as 30 to 60 cm, lens, move in or out type lens, 2 components, 2 elements, f equals 60 mm, f equals 12.7. Number 3. Third best pick is KODAK Smile Classic Digital Instant Camera. This retro KODAK camera combines old-school design with modern tech like Bluetooth connectivity. You can download and save images you don't want to print right away or use the microSD card slot. You can transfer pics to your computer. This lightweight model prints 3.5 into 4.25-inch photos for easy sharing on the go. Features: the KODAK Smile Classic combines an old-school design with advanced modern technology. This camera produces the largest photos in the KODAK Instant Print collection. You can print 16 megapixel 3.51 into 4.25 inches photos. Bluetooth connectivity connects to iOS and Android devices. With an optical viewfinder, 10-second timer and automatic strobe flash. The KODAK Smile stores images that you don't want to print right away. With the microSD card slot you can download and save images to your computer. Perfect for travel, never miss a moment anywhere. This small camera is lightweight, durable and great for all of your adventures, trips, and explorations. Take it on your next trip and save the memories. Includes a micro USB charging adapter. Number 4. Fourth best pick is Fujifilm Instax Square SQ6 Instant Camera. This camera was designed with Instagram fanatics in mind. The Fujifilm's hip-to-be square design offers 1:1 square format imagery, in retro lo-fi glory. The lithium battery-powered camera was designed to last up to 30 film packs with 10 shots each. It offers selfie mode, 3 color filters that can attach to the flash, double exposure, macro and landscape options. It should be noted that you have to buy special Fujifilm designed for the camera, and film developing time takes about 90 seconds. Also, there is no memory card option. Features: 1:1 square format. Use Instax square style film. Auto exposure control. The high-performance flash automatically calculates surrounding brightness and adjusts shutter speed. Includes 3 color filters, orange, purple and green, that can be fitted over the flash to add color to your photo. 2 CR2 batteries. Focusing motor driven 3 range switching, macro mode, normal mode, landscape mode. Flash and macro mode, built-in, automatic electronic flash in a mode other than macro mode, flash on, unless you use flash off mode, charging time, 0.2 seconds to 7 seconds, using a new battery, flash charging indicator. Self-timer, electronically controlled, approximate 10-second delay, can be stopped mid-run. Film developing time, approximately 90 seconds, varies depending on the ambient temperature. Number 5. Fifth best pick is Instax Mini LiPlay Instant Camera. This innovative instant camera offers a lot more than a few quick snaps. The model comes with 40 sheets of film, a 32GB SD card, and a carrying case. Connect it to the Instax LiPlay app and you can add filters and stickers, then print straight from your smartphone. Features: with this innovative Fuji Instax LiPlay camera and exclusive Photo 4 Less accessory bundle. Be ready to have fun right out of the box with this all-inclusive kit: Fuji Instax Instant Film, 40 sheets, 32GB SD card, and compact camera case. Connect to the all-new Fuji LiPlay app, turn your camera into a smartphone printer, and instantly print photos from your phone or use your phone as a remote control, making selfies and group photos easy. You can now preview your image and choose to print your best shot on the 2.7-inch display screen. Print in just 12 seconds and 100 prints on a single charge. Get creative and add fun frames and filters to your photos which can be edited during and after shooting. More than just an image, convert recorded sound to a QR code and add it to your image. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.